Evening Rush Jazz with Abdu Mwesige. Uganda is the pearl of Africa, and many of you here, Uganda, the pearl of Africa, but you don't know what makes it to be the pearl of Africa. One of these are beautiful sceneries, the tourism attraction sites, and today we are at Kavumba Recreation Center in Wakiso District. Kavumba Recreation Center, it is a wide area, it is a big area, and it has different sceneries, different areas where you can go and eat your money or enjoy your money with your friends, whatever. Now where I'm standing now, it is a zoo department, and with me here I have a facilitator, Madam, or you can call her Miss Immaculate Ahaisiwe. Glad to have you on Evening Rush Jazz with Abdu Mwesige, Madam Ahaisiwe.
Me too, welcome to this center.
Okay, my camera person, I've worked with Mr. Francis Nande. Go on camera and I would like you, okay, you first focus on this, my facilitator. We shall increase on the voice. So you can first have a say to our viewers. You can say hi to them and we continue with our story today.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Ahaisiwe Immaculate, currently working at Kavumba Recreation Center under Zoo Department. Kavumba Recreation Center have got many different activities and departments whereby you can come and enjoy whatever you want. For example, we've got the playground, we've got the accommodation, we've got the conference hall where you can make your functions from, that accommodates over 350. We have got a carnival hall that you can come for your dances that can be there every day up to from evening till morning. We've got a beautiful swimming pool and we've got beautiful gardens where you can make your parties from.
Wow, what I've liked, I've had dances where you can have your dances, and my camera person, when you talk about dances, you might sleep here. Now let us extend this way. Come closer to have a view at this. Now, Madam Ahaisiwe Immaculate.
Yes.
Some of us, me inclusive, we always even fear to be close to these animals, such animals. Where do you get that courage to find yourself that you are here and you are a facilitator?
First of all, to be with these animals, you have to be with that heart of loving animals. So when you're in school, these things are taught in school. They are taught in school theoretically, but when we come to the field, we find that they are taught practically, and from there you are taught how to handle each and every animal, its behavior. So you find that you no longer fear each and every animal. That's how we come relating to each and every type of the animal without fear.
So now, when there is that relationship, you may find that this is what? Zebra?
It's a zebra.
So you may find a zebra now knows Immaculate, but it doesn't know me. Is it right?
Yeah, it is right.
You have that relationship with them.
Yeah, because the more time I spend with animals, they can get used to me than a new face who comes to them.
Then the other one?
That one, it's an ostrich. It's a male ostrich. We've got other two ahead there. One is gray in color, whereby these black ones are usually males, and
actually I was going to ask you that
females.
How do you differentiate that this is a male and this is a female? You have already explained.
Yeah.
Now how do you get to know that now this is zebra? Is it a male?
This is zebra here. Around it's a female. Because the zebras, the way they are created, they are like cows. You know, when you come closer to cows, you can easily tell that this is a male and this is a female. So this one here is a female and the other one there is a male.
Now, how do you get to know that maybe now this time it wants to eat or it wants water? How do you get to know?
How you can tell that this time these animals want water or food? We feed them, first and foremost, we feed them twice in a day.
Twice in a day?
Twice in a day. Whereby it's mandatory that we give them food at around 11 a.m. and at 4 p.m. when we are almost closing the day. Then for water, we create for them ponds whereby we usually put water so they drink at any time that they feel like.
Now, we've had twice a day.
Yeah.
If a person, we are told that maybe a person can eat 3 times a day, and we, in our perception, our own perception, who are not used to these animals, we know that animals eat much than a person. So if a person eats 3 times a day, why do you give these ones twice a day?
We give them twice a day, but in large quantities.
Okay, we shall continue to other places. This was part of the zoo. We have seen a zebra, you have seen also. Do you have any other animals?
Yeah, we have more other animals like under primates. We have monkeys, we have baboons. Under reptiles, we've got snakes, huge crocodiles.
Even snakes?
Yeah, crocodiles, we've got tortoises.
Even snakes. So,
and under antelopes, we still have waterbacks and impala. You're going to see them as we move.
all right.
Here we have a Nile crocodile.
It is a Nile crocodile. So we have types of crocodiles.
Yeah, we have many types of crocodiles, but when it comes to Kavumba Recreation Center, for us we've got only one type known as Nile crocodile. These are the crocodiles that stay both in water and on land.
Yeah, that's why they're called Nile.
Nile crocodiles. Yeah.
Okay. So these are crested coins.
These are crested coins. They stay together with Egyptian geese. Those are the types of the ducks that can't stay without water.
They stay in water.
They can't stay without water. Where they be, there must be water. That's why the sea ponds are constructed all over where they stay.
So now these ones, they depend on what?
These ones feed mainly on maize bran. They can feed on other cereals like sorghum, rice, millet, and both grinded and ungrinded nuts. There is another female crocodile.
Now the other one was which? Was a female, was a male, the other crocodile that we saw the other side?
No, the crocodile that we saw first was a male, and this one here is a female.
She's a female crocodile.
Yeah.
And if they ask, if they feed on what?
Crocodiles are fresh eaters. They feed on fresh meat. You can give them fresh fish, fresh chicken. That's what they purposely feed on.
And now my question would be, how do they multiply?
Crocodiles do multiply by, they do mate and reproduce by laying eggs on sand. But here you can see we separated them in different ponds, reason being that we got them from different areas.
So the other one was a Nile crocodile.
Even this one is a Nile crocodile, but got from different families. For crocodiles to be together and mate to multiply, they must be coming from the same family.
Understood. This looks to be too young.
Yeah, this is a young one of a crocodile. And when it comes to crocodiles, we usually call them juveniles or hatchlings.
That is the language you use here. Me, I know crocodiles, but glad that I am learning now new other names.
Yeah. So for you, we usually call it a baby crocodile.
Yeah, that's why I said too young.
Alright.
Then I'm seeing beautiful animals here.
These are red-tailed monkeys. In this case, these ones. We call them red-tailed monkeys because of their long and red tail.
What and you see, they cannot run even. They are used to people.
These are used to people. They are like human beings. The more they interact with human beings, the more they get lazy. So they can't run away.
And which language do you use to communicate with them? I think when you are living with certain things, there is that language that you use to communicate.
Animal language.
Animal language. We shall not go into details of animal language. Okay. Is this one elephant?
This is a savocat, though it's also under cat family, as you said, like all cat, they are under the same family, but it's a savocat.
This one is what? Come again?
It's a savocat.
The savocat. For me, into my face, it looks to be like a leopard. That's why you had to extend behind.
Yeah, they usually look together, and they are, as you've said, that to extend behind. Indeed, they are dangerous animals because they fall under cat family.
Cat family.
Yeah.
And cat family is always harsh sometimes.
Yeah, you know, under cat family, we've got these savocats, leopards, lions, as you understand, leopards.
Right.
Yeah, something
The way. Come again. They feed on what?
They feed on eggs, young ones of chicken, these small chicks, 3 to 4 day old, and young ones of guinea pigs.
And how do you feed them after getting that food, the eggs and what? How do you again go to feed them? Don't you fear them?
No, this is the type of snake that do not jump or run. So it is okay when you get your chicks to open the door, you enter and press in chicks that they are going to eat. For other snakes which are dangerous, which can spit like spitting cobras, you can first be somewhere you view the direction where the snake is before you put in food.
All right.
These ones are inside the fence. Yeah, the spitting cobras I've been telling you.
The spitting one, so you cannot just open far.
Yeah, to open here you must be in all gears. You dress up from your head up to feet so that you can control its venom when it spits.
All right. They also feed on young chicks and eggs?
Yeah, snakes feed on the same food.
All right. This one. Yeah. So there is this one. It looks like a crocodile we saw the other side.
Yeah, they usually look alike.
You what? So this is a tortoise. And me, I'm not going to lift you, just lift. So this is a tortoise. You see, they are friendly.
Yeah, these are friendly animals. While handling them, you can just start on them. Most people usually do like this on them. You find them hurting them, which is bad. It can affect their lungs. You just have to massage them like this, or lift them gently.
I will also touch it. Oh, yeah, I'm also touching them.
Yeah, you can touch. They are most friendly.
Okay. Which age?
It's around 45, 48.
Njagala otunule mu camera bulungi. It is around what?
45 to 48 years old.
And it looks like this,
Yeah, it looks like this because you know the lifespan for tortoises takes up 500 years.
So if it is like in one at 1 year, it looks like how in size.
1 year.
Yes.
It is, you can, you know these normal lizards that move on trees, the younger ones. So it can be 2 little. Because if I may show you like one of 80 years, if you can take if this I can tell that it's only 8 years, meaning that the young, when it's 1 year old, is usually very little. You can't even recognize it.
So this one is 8 years, the other one is 45.
Yeah, 45 to 48.
Wonderful. And this is the head.
Yeah.
And what is it doing inside?
And you know, as I said, for snakes they feed on young ones of chicks, but this is a different type of the snake. The biggest one, python, it feeds on all the chicken. That's why this is inside.
So it means it is now satisfied because it is here, it doesn't touch on it. So when it gets hungry, it is when to come.
But by the way, there have been 2 inside. One is just from feeding, and this is left for another snake. It is the one that is going to eat it.
Wow.
Yeah, that's how some snakes react mostly in cobras. You saw forest cobras there. Now this is Egyptian cobra.
So if you have come to feed it and you find it is like that, do you continue and enter?
It depends where it is. Like where it is right now, you can enter from the other side and put in food.
Then you go away.
Yeah, but when you find it near the doorway, we have some tools that we use, like hooks, stones, to put it inside, then you put in food.
It looks tough and it looks annoyed.
How are you, brother? Put in van. Brother.
Tuko view.
Put in van. Brother. The brother
is now feeling the world. It is all. It is a male or a female?
This is a female brother's monkey. It is the most peaceful and friendly among all the monkeys that we have here. Brother.
Our viewers, I think you can see how friendly this facilitator and the animals, the relationship, it is all wow.
Brother.